really do like this robe a lot. To me, this robe just gives royalty. It's a classic robe at that. All right, 2 Fly fam, so this is what the underwear looks like. Got the Versace Medusa head in the top. And I just bought these really to go with the robe. When I wear the robe, I want to wear the underwear as well. Like I said, man, I be fresh in the crib too, not just outside. What's up, 2 Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm 2 Fly B, and I'm back with another lit video, man. Come on, man. Y'all know they finna keep dropping. As y'all see by the title, we got something different coming to the channel. I don't think I've reviewed anything of this brand on my channel before. So y'all know I had to present it to the 2 Fly fam. It's only right that we get this brand on the channel. As y'all see, man, we got a Versace robe. Y'all know I love robes. I'm a robe guy. Of course, I had to pick up a Versace robe. But y'all know I had to double it. So don't trip. Got this video dropping, and then we dropping another one. Different colorway. Come on, man. What I like to say, if I can't double it, I don't like to get it right then. You know? So of course I doubled it. And I told y'all before, I like to be fly inside the crib too, not just outside. I'm a firm believer in, if you really meant to put that on, you fly in the crib too. You know what I'm saying? Because I believe everything starts at home. Everything, any and everything starts at home. How you are at home. And then you going out. Now, granted, there's some people who can turn the switch on and off, be one way at home and one way outside. But no, man, I'm the same 25/8. What you get, what you see is what you get. Not 24/7, but 25/8. So with that being said, do y'all like robes? Let me know down in the comments right now if y'all like robes, if y'all rock with them. Me, robes just give royalty, man. Y'all know I look at myself as a king. I'm a king, so I act as such, I speak as such, I move as such. You know, I'm a king that serves the King of Kings. Glory be to God. So with that being said, without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the first Versace robe on my channel. Let's go. All right, guys, as y'all see, here's the box. I want to show you the box real quick. All black box. Now let's go ahead and get into the review. All right, 2 Fly fam, here's the box. This is the overhead view. The box is just all black. As you see, not too much going on with it. When I remove the top, this is how it looks. Once I open it, you see this is what the robe looks like. Now it don't look, this is not how it looked when I first got it. I have opened this already, but as you see, it do have the tag. If I put the tag down, I just kept everything so I can make sure I have it for the review for you guys. Here, as you see, the price. This is the tag. From a little bit of what you see that the Versace is written all across the robe. Now I'm about to remove this out the box so we can see how it looks. As y'all see, I put this on the side here, the robe, and here's the belt. Now I'm going to remove this out as well. All right, 2 Fly fam, I want to get into the details of the robe belt first before we get into the actual robe. Now, this is what it's looking like. The camera is not doing the gold justice as it is in person. Well, right now, this looks pretty close to it. This is pretty good. When I open it, you see like the Medusa head going down. The black and gold just really gives royalty. That's really where I wanted the Versace robe, because this really just gives royalty. Like I said, y'all know I look at myself as a king. I'm a king who served the kings of kings, and that being the Most High, all-knowing, all-powerful. So it's just mandatory for me to get this robe. So now as I open it, we turn it this way. You see it has the Versace going down. Going all the way down. So on the other side, it got like the this print is called something. I just cannot think of the name right now, and I don't want to say the wrong name. So this print is called something. It starts with a V. I just can't think of the name. And then on the other side, like I said, just have Versace. So it'd be like V-E-R-S-A-C-E. It's not going all the way across, it's like going under. This is like towel cloth material. The back is not the same material. This is like more more, this material on this side is more silky, and this over here is more like a towel material. So, all right, you guys got the full detail on the belt. One last time looking at this. All right, guys, now let's get into the actual robe. Here's the overview of the actual robe. You see it has Versace going all the way across. We have 2 pockets right here. They go in with the Versace print right here. We have the Versace going across, and then we have the Versace black and gold print right here. Medusa head coming up top on both sides. Up here we have the tag, which just says Versace and the size that I got, which is a size medium. And talking about sizing real quick, guys, I am 5'9", 165 pounds. When I do my on body portion of the video, make sure you pay attention to my wrist so you can see, you know, how the length is on me. Anybody around my height, around my weight, I think you'll be good with a size medium, but you'll just have to see if you want a size large. This is the print on the wrist. The inside feels good. The inside feels just like the outside, and it's all feel like a towel material. On the other sleeve, we have at the end of the wrist, the same Versace print. We have the Versace Medusa head right here, going on around. And back over here as well, like I said, we got the Medusa head. And guys, I really do like this robe a lot. To me, this robe just gives royalty. It's a classic robe at that. This robe has been out for many, many years before now, and it would be in style and still good many, many more years after this year. So this is a timeless piece. You guys know I love buying timeless items. I really don't like trendy items too much, but this right here is definitely a classic. As long as you take care of this, it's gonna take care of you. Make sure you're keeping up with the upkeep of this robe, and the maintenance is really, which is really just, you know, washing it when it needs to be washed, taking the proper care to wash it. As we open it, you see how you can see the Versace. It's like 3D on the inside. You can actually see each letter, which is on the back of the robe. And then here we have the little tag. Have a Versace tag, and it just tells you how to clean it. What is it made out of? And that's it on that side. That's on the left side of the robe, inside left side. And the inside right side is nothing, but this is how the inside looks. This is the full inside. And like I say, man, I love this robe. I like it so much that I got it in 2 colorways. I had to go back and double it. I feel like the black is like just a classic, like I already said, so it's nice to add the black. But I also wanted some color as well. You know, 9 times out of 10, when I get 2 items of the same thing, I like to get a black because I can wear black with everything, and I like wearing black. And then I typically like to get a color, like a color pop. So stay tuned for the second colorway dropping. And now I'm finna turn it around for you. All right, guys, here's the back. Just says Versace going all across again. And you see how like this section here is like, the background is like a black, and then the words is like in the charcoal. And then up here on this line is like the words is in the black, and behind it is a charcoal. So it's like, you see the color contrasting to see the different way Versace is written going across. The wrist again, wrist and the belt. So this is the full back of it, guys. Not too much to it. It's just a simple robe. Honestly, it just says Versace going around. But I do feel like the black Versace robe is more settled down. You know, it's not too in your face. I feel like if you pay attention to it, then yeah, okay, you're gonna see that it's a Versace robe. I mean, you can't really miss it because of the gold, the black. Versace is very dominant. You just know a Versace piece. So this is it with the review. I hope this has been a very informative review for you guys. And if you have any questions about things that I did not hit with this robe, or just some questions in general about the robe, just leave them down below in the comment section, and you know I'm going to reply back to y'all. All right, 2Fly fam, before I hop into the on body portion of this video, I want to show you guys, I also did pick up some Versace underwear. This is the backpack, which means it's 2 pair in here. These are the trunks. Stretch con, says Versace at the bottom, Versace on the side. But y'all, look how they sent my box. Believe it or not, this is how my box came. like Bloomingdale's. What y'all on with me, man? What y'all got going on? All right, Two Fly fam. So this is what the underwear looks like. Got the Versace Medusa head in the top. And I just bought these really to go with the robe. When I wear the robe, I want to wear the underwear as well. Like I say, man, I be fresh in the crib too, not just outside. I really get fresh for myself and not for nobody else. And other people just admire and like the fact that I do dress up. But if we keep in the stack, I'm not doing it for nobody else. I dress up for myself. I truly enjoy being fly. I look my best when I fly. I feel my best when I fly. All that's good, man. So this is the back of them. These are some great quality underwear, fellas. I would tell you that. Women, if you're watching and you want to get your guy or your significant other a pair, I feel like it's worth it, man. These did run me $150 for a 2-pack, and if I would suggest to get one, it's going to be $75. So no, it's not a deal if you just have to go 2 over 1. It's just $75 a piece. So it is what it is. These are still cool though. You see, like the golds do not match. They don't go hand in hand. But great material. Y'all see how the outside is black with gold, and then the inside is gold with black. They go to Medusa head again. On the outside, the Medusa head is gold on black, and on the inside, the Medusa head is black on gold. It has the name Versace and your size. So yeah, man, you can't go wrong with getting these to go with the robe if you choose to do so. That's it with the reviews on the robe and the underwear. Now let's switch back. All right, Two Fly fam, that concludes the review of this Versace robe in the colorway of black. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions down below. Do you have any Versace robes? Would you like a Versace robe? Do you have any robes? Let me hear what's in y'all collection if you do. Do you look forward to, do you want one in the future? If so, leave all them comments down below. Y'all know I love responding back to y'all. Love reading your comments. It's time to hop into the on body portion of the video to show y'all how this robe look on. Let's stay connected on social media. My TikTok and Instagram is 2FlyB. My Snapchat is FlyManB. Shout out to everybody who's been rocking with me, who gonna continue to rock with me, who gonna forever rock with me. I love y'all, appreciate y'all for sure. Shout out to all the new members that have joined the family. Welcome to the 2Fly fam, where we 2Fly it over here. Appreciate y'all, man. Road to 5K, like I said before, y'all see, we hit 1K. Road to 5K, we gonna keep going up. We not stopping. What channel is Flyer? Come on, man, we in our own separate lane. No comparisons, no competing with nobody. All glory be to God. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Stay prayed up. I love y'all. I'm gonna get with y'all next video. Be smooth.